Hello everybody and welcome back to another Louis Pie video. Today I will be showing you a small little model door lock I made with a keypad, I2C OLED 128 by 64 pixels and a little SG90 micro servo. Sorry I couldn't do a Me Arm Pie video today, it is currently in a state of repair, but here's a little demonstration. Right, I will just enter the code, or start it. And after it is set up, the servo is reset to its original position, so that that would be door locked. But obviously I'm just using a model servo, but you can use a proper electronic mechanical door lock, which I don't have, so I'm just using a servo. Now you can find the code for this on my GitHub, and I will leave the link in the description. Right, so let's try a passcode. 5, 2, 3, 6. Access denied and the servo stays where it is. Right, now we can try it again. And I have set a specific passcode, which I will now enter. Right, so the servo is back to its original position. It's got a bit of twitching, which I haven't managed to solve, but I detach it after so many seconds, so this completely stops. But the twitching is still quite annoying. 8, 7, 9, 0. And that's the code, and access has been granted. There you go, the servo just changed, and everything's reset, the OLED's turned off. So, just to clear up, you can find the code in my GitHub. Servo is available for $2.50 mine costs, but you can get them cheaper from China. This cost £4, but again you can get it cheaper from China. And this cost £2 as well, but you can get it cheaper from China. And then I'm using a Pi 0W, but you can use any Pi. And the wiring is quite a mess, I'm going to be honest. But until next time, I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.